How to delete call history on a device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To delete call history on a device, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your call app and then here you will see all the phone calls you have made or received on a device. So it is very easy method. So to do this, simply tap on the history that you want to delete. So here let me delete this one. So you will need to tap and hold the contact for a few seconds and then you will see these options. So here tap and delete. And then you will see this pop up, so tap and delete again. You won't be able to mass delete everything. So what you will need to do is delete everything one by one. So simply repeat the process again and again to delete. So this is how you can delete call history on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.